What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, we got the bumper and the carbon diffuser. Right now we're gonna try to get all the bumper painted today, but you never know, might be coming back for day 2. But I'm headed over to where I am painting it, and I will see y'all then. Also, I guess I should say it is the M Sport bumper. I got this from carparts.com. I spent like $100. Every other site was like 500, 600. So, you know, I took the gamble and we'll see if it pays off. The diffuser is from Monaco Motorsports. There's a decent amount of change, but it's carbon and the obsession just began. It's just gonna keep growing, guys. As you guys can see, that was the first layer. I mean, we got plenty more to go. Probably like 4 or 5. That's just the first layer. Alright, as you guys can probably tell by now, we got the color complete. I mean, I suck at filming, so that's probably why I didn't get an update before. But we're gonna come back tomorrow. It's getting late. People got stuff to do. So we'll be back tomorrow in the morning to finish the clear coat. Put on the diffuser. Put on the diffuser. And then that'll wrap up the bumper. Still waiting on the exhaust. I don't know when that's gonna ship. Might be a week or 2, but hoping it's soon so we can get that on. But anyway, I'll see y'all tomorrow, which will be 0.2 seconds for you guys. But I'll see you tomorrow when we come back for the clear coat. What's going on, guys? Today we're back, day 2 of the painting. Right here she is. This is 3 coats. Today we're going to do probably 2 or 3 coats of the clear. I'll probably sand it down before the clear. But I never showed you guys, actually. I mean, you can't really see it, but it's just Sherwin-Williams Deep Black 668. And then this is a clear. So, let's hop right into it. Alright guys, so it's been about 9 hours here, and we got the paint all done. Clearcoat's on. I did four coats, something like that. It's not completely done. We still gotta go. I'm still gonna wet sand it a little bit, polish it, and then that should be it. So I'm gonna take this over somewhere else to another spot. We jump spots like nothing, but I'm gonna take it there, get the old bumper on, get this bumper on, get the diffuser, and that's it. Alright, so we're back at the location. We got the diffuser, we got the bumper here. I still gotta wet sand it, and I'm gonna polish it. Here's a car. I know this lighting's trash, but so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do what I just said. I'll show you guys that, and then we're gonna get this bumper off, do that stuff, and get this bumper back on, and it should be good. The thing that sucks is you can see I still just have, you can't really see, but I still just have this single exit exhaust. I'm waiting on my exhaust, so whenever Valvetronic wants to send me it, you know, it'll be here, and that'll be the next video. So you got a bolt there. You got 3 bolts in the wheel well. You got 3 bolts right under here, and then 3 along the back. Ah, forgot about it. Shit. Woo! That shit looks so nice, bro. That is so good. Alrighty guys, what is going on? It is day 3 out here with this bumper. There she is. Anyway, last night my battery died actually, so we ended up getting the diffuser on. We didn't get done till about 12 o'clock honestly, but we ended up getting the diffuser on. We got the bumper on. The fitment is wishy-washy. I mean, it's pretty good. I'll show you guys when I'm completely done with it. But we just got the final thing. We're just gonna polish her up, try and make her as shiny, match the rest of the car, but here she is for now. I still have the stock exhaust, but there she is. So like I said, we're just gonna polish it, and then I'll catch up with you guys after that. Let's get right into it. Alright, well, I don't know if you guys can really see me, but I wanted to get the McGuire's Ultimate Compound, but everywhere was out of stock. So we ended up going with the Turtle Wax Polishing Compound. Got a little pad right here. You know, you can do it by machine, you can do it by hand. I do it by hand. But you just want to put a couple dots here. You don't want to smear it all over, just a couple dots here and there. And then just do a section at a time. So alright guys, so here is the finished, I mean, come on, I did it at home, so it's not going to be perfect. You know, we'll still be able to get it waxed and all that, make it shine up more eventually once all this completely cures. But, I mean, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. You know, we got the M Sport bumper on, we got the carbon diffuser on. Next we're just waiting on the exhaust. Whenever that comes in, hopefully it's soon. But if you guys enjoyed, drop a like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.